Successive Pakistani governments have exploited the religious, ethno-linguistic and other forms of diversity to create rifts among Kashmiris in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Islamabad has time and again sought to transform the demographic dynamics of the region. According to a recent report, residents of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir are now mostly Sunni settlers, with barely 20% Kashmiris left. With the ethnic and religious divide manifesting sharper and deeper, the region is witnessing a surge in sectarian violence. Protesters took to the streets of capital Muzaffarabad, demanding action against the perpetrators of the bombing in December 2009. The suicide attack on Muharram procession was the deadliest Muzaffarabad had ever seen. 15 Shia worshippers were killed and dozens were maimed for life. The probe announced is yet to get off the ground, partly because of the influence of the Punjabi Sunnis over the local administration.
और उन अनासर को बेनकाब किया जाए जो इसमें मुलव्वस हैं, वरना फिर देखा जाएगा। अब दूसरी बात ये है कि हमने ये कयाम क्यों किया। हम कभी शिया बनकर रोड पर नहीं आए, हम कभी भी शिया बनकर रोड पर नहीं आए, हम मुसलमान बनकर यहाँ पर रहे हैं।
Many analysts have viewed the often violent assertions as occasional eruptions of the Shia-Sunni sectarian divide that largely plague Pakistan. But the absence of democratic rights, lack of participation in the local government and the economic exploitation has led to alienation among the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
पर जमा क्यों हुए? इसलिए कि तारीख गवाह है, अज़ल से लेकर अब तक हमारे खानदान के साथ, हमारे बुजुर्गों के साथ जुल्म होता रहा, लेकिन हमारे खानदान का एक फर्द भी जहां पर था उसने जुल्म देखा, लेकिन जुल्म के सामने क़याम जरूर किया।
Though the disputed region has been given a political status under the 1974 interim constitution, its so-called autonomy has various limitations. The people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir are embittered by Islamabad's unwillingness to devolve powers in real terms to its elected representatives. Despite the brutal suppression by the military and its notorious intelligence agency, a nationalist movement seeking complete independence from Pakistani yoke is fast gaining ground in the Himalayan region.